Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to make neck set with clay. For this, we need Fevicryl Mouldit. It contains one part of hardener and one part of resin. Knead it well until it turns completely white color. Use talcum powder to avoid stickiness in hand while working. Now I am taking required amount of hardener and resin to make this jewellery. In this project, I am using silicone mold to make stud base. For making silicone mold on your own, check description for link. Apply powder in mold and fill required amount of clay inside mold. After getting perfect shape for stud, insert eye pin. Let it dry completely for 90 minutes. Next, we are going to make pendant charms. For this, roll the clay and cut 7 equal amount of Mouldit including earring. Make into small balls and press it into the flat round shape and insert eye pin as shown and let it leave for 90 minutes completely to dry. Once it dried completely, apply base coat with black acrylic color and rest it for 15 minutes. Then apply golden acrylic color as a top coat. For this project, I am using 5 mm Kundan Stone and 8 mm Kundan Stone. Here I am going to make dot pattern like mandala above the Mouldit. For that I am using the dotting tool of two different size. For this I am using glass color of red color and green color. You can use any color as you wish.